Okay, good day class. I will explain about the safety issues, testing and safety chew of non-safety chew of their in fact of compress of cat. So, yung safety issues kasi doon sa barko, dahil nga isasuot yan, dahil aron ma-safety yung mga paa mo. Di kagaya diyan nga mag-Adidas ka doon, mag-sandal ka doon sa engine room or there in the deck. Ngayon para ba may mga city light, makikita yon doon eh. Mamaya madulas ka doon, either ano mayayari doon. Ha? Das, or mahulugan yung paa mo, magbuhat ka ng mabigat, tapos may mahulog, may experience ako na gano'n nangyayari, nahulog yung binuhat nila, tumama sa paa, naputol yung mga daliri ng mga paa doon dahil wala man siya mag-safety shoes. Tapos kung may hilo din, madulas din yan sa hilo eh. Kung winter eh. Kasi babasa man yung ano doon. So, yan ang mga importanteng bagay ng safety doon on board. Kasi naka-ano kasi diyan eh, naka-reporting kasi kung may aksidente, ma-reporting yan kung bakit nagaganoon, bakit nadulas, bakit naputol sa ganyang sitwasyon dahil hindi sinusuot yung safety shoes. So, malalaki lalo nang sa mga tanker, i-implement talaga yung safety shoes doon kasi yan ang utos ng kumpanya. May bakal nga yan sa dulo eh. Di na basta-basta maipit yung dulo dahil may steel yan eh. Tapos yung ano niya, apakan niya, may ano yan, tinatawag ng oil resistance. Kasi ug makaapak ka ng oil, hindi siya madudulas. Kasi yung mga Adidas, kung ano-ano yung mga sapatos dyan ay sinusuot, doon pupunta ng engine room or mayroong mga overhaul on the time is very dangerous about the situation. So must be you use your safety shoes during your watch and operational overhaul. So must be you implement of safety on board pohon. Malawing Ginoo kung magsakay na kayo ng barko, must be we wear safety shoes on board. Okay?
Hi, I'm Rachel Walla with Ally Safety, and in today's video, we're going to test safety footwear. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are about 60,000 workplace foot injuries every single year that are serious enough to require days off work.
My foot! You ran over my foot! It struck my foot.
Out of those 60,000 foot injuries, about 75% are due to employees not following the company's rules.
Okay, rule 5, safety first.
What that means is, a lot of these injuries are taking place because people aren't wearing their safety shoes. So I thought it would be really interesting to do a test of non-safety toe shoes versus safety shoes with some common workplace hazards. About 80% of foot injuries are caused by objects weighing less than 30 pounds being dropped on the foot. Now, an ASTM-rated safety shoe is tested to withstand an impact of about 75 pounds. Today, we're going to test impact by dropping this hook, which weighs about 20 pounds, on both safety toe shoes and non-safety toe shoes. Now, each of the toes of these shoes is filled with hot dogs to kind of loosely mimic toes. cracks are one thing, but compressions from rolling objects or mobile equipment is another. ASTM-rated safety toe shoes are built to withstand a compression force of up to 2,500 pounds. The closest thing we have on site to that today is a compactor that weighs 3,500 pounds. So that's what we're going to use to test out our safety shoes. Now keep in mind that 3,500 pounds is distributed across 2 rollers. For those of you out there who are concerned about exhaust fumes, we have 2 roll-up doors on either side of this one behind me, and both are open, so we got plenty of airflow through here to keep everything safe. Now the average ASTM-rated safety toe shoe isn't cut resistant, but we wanted to do this test just because it's a common problem and it's interesting to see. Now, what happens a lot of the time is when people are finishing a cut with a chainsaw, what they'll do is they'll finish the cut, and once this chainsaw blade breaks through the cutting media, it'll come down and just barely nick the corner of their shoe. We do recommend using a chainsaw-safe shoe when you're using a chainsaw, but just for fun, we're going to test out this chainsaw using both our safety toe shoe and our non-safety toe shoe. So let's try it out. So what we learned from this test is that a rubber stopper right on the front of your toe can provide a little bit of protection from a saw. But if the saw is to hit you on the top of the foot, it's going to cut through the fabric or leather of any shoe just like butter. But if you have a steel toe or composite toe, it's a good amount of protection from a saw. However, we still recommend always using chainsaw-safe boots when you're using a chainsaw. So what did all of this prove? Don't try to pass off average boots for safety toe boots. Choose the right shoe for the job and stay safe. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, I'll see you guys later.